This review is on the Emerson Portable Ice Maker. This is the model number IM90T. It's a portable ice maker that will make ice, store it, but not really refrigerate it. So we're going to go over some of the functionality of it, talk about how it works, and see if this is something for you. Now we'll talk about how it actually works.
So before you turn it on, right now it's off, you can see the green light is blinking. You need to fill it with filtered water so that air bubbles will not be put into the motor. What it does is, you can see there's a little indentation. It sucks the waters up. It stores it in a bucket that's now stored back. These freeze the ice cubes. When it's ready, it drops. This acts as a gate. It lifts it up and dumps it now into the basket.
And how long does it take it to make ice from when you put the water in?
7 to 10 minutes for each. We're going to now close the top. Since it's full of water, I'm now going to turn it on. Automatically selects medium. If you want ice to come out fairly quickly, you do small. However, I find that the ice melts the minute you put it in your soda, so I like to do the medium or the large.
So you can actually select the size of ice that you want. So right now we're going to do large. So you can see that you can hear the pump pumping the water up. So it's putting water into the reservoir, and then the little metal prongs stuck down will actually go into the water, and that will allow the ice to freeze around them.
One common complaint is that it's very loud. This is the loudest that it gets. So if this is loud for you, maybe this isn't for you, but I find it to be no louder than your refrigerator running in your kitchen.
Okay. Another thing that's important is that you're going to want to have it near a sink, so you have the plug here that you can lift it. So now the fan's engaged. And you see. Okay, so how it actually works is you can see under there you've got water, and then you've got the little prongs come in, and it causes the water to freeze around those. So you have hollow ice. And that's how it's able to work. And then it dumps out into the tray. Okay, now we have ice cubes. So you can see you got the little hole in the middle, and you can't tell real well, but they're extremely wet. So when you put them in your freezer, they're going to freeze the other end of the chuck. So they do make pretty quickly. They look like little bullets with holes in them, but they are, like I said, extremely wet. Think of snow on a 33-degree day. Okay, final verdict on the Emerson Portable Ice Maker. A few things to like about it. It does make ice. It makes it rather fast. It'll let you know when the ice tray is full, when you need to add water. However, one of the challenges with it is if you're making ice and you want to store some, the ice comes out pretty wet because it does not have a refrigerator actually inside of it. So it doesn't store ice well. So if you take the ice and you put it in your freezer, it essentially freezes into a giant clump. Which makes it really unusable or less usable. So from that standpoint, it's the functionality for us isn't really worthwhile, especially when you figure out how big of a ice maker this really is. Now, if you're someone that goes through a lot of ice, you're entertaining, and you need ice to continuously flow, this might work out well for you. But if you're just looking for some occasional ice, or maybe to supplement your freezer, it probably isn't worth it. So we're actually going to give it about 2 to 2.5 stars.